Hi everybody, welcome back to my series on lockpicking. My name is Cakes, and in this video we're looking at the Master Lock ProSeries 6830 padlock. This guy has a 5-pin core. Doesn't seem to be too much variance on the pin length, so it probably is pretty easy to get open with picking. Doesn't seem to be a spring on the shackle, but there's a really strong spring on the core, which does something funny, which I'll show you in a minute after we pick it. We're going to use top of the keyway tension and this Peterson's hook. Let's try pin 1, no. 2, maybe a little click there. 3, a little something there. 4, 5, little click there. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, no, 2, no. We'll click on 5. Maybe a false set. There's 2. And we've got it open. Okay, so this thing is key retaining. And what I mentioned before with the strong spring, when we pop the shackle back in, the core is going to rotate past the driver pins about 90 degrees and end up down here. So it's going to do like a 180 degree rotation when we pop it back in, because the key would normally stop here at this little piece of metal. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, boom. You can see it flips all the way down there, which would be dangerous if it went further. So if the driver pins were able to sink into the bottom of the keyway there, then it would get locked up, so we have to rotate it back and then we can use the key again. There we go. Alright, so let's open this guy up. We're going to use an Allen key. To unscrew this. There's the core. You can see everything inside there. Now that one in the carpet somewhere. And we found him. Alright, so let's put the key in here. Grab our follower. Perfect. Now let's take a look at these key pins. This oil is, oh, it's first 2. Let's see. Which one is which? Okay, that's correct. These are a pain to get out. 2. A lot of oil on these guys, so they don't like to fall out very easily. 3. 4 and 5. So standard key pins. Let's take a look at the driver pins. Grab our tweezers. Spool in 1. Spool in 2. Spool in 3. Spool in 4. And last but not least, we've got a serrated pin in number 5. Looks like all these springs are this exact same one. It's the one from number 5, so we'll put that one back in. They're a bit annoying to take out because they have a lot of grease on them, it looks like. Hopefully you can get a good picture of those. So then we will put it back together. Starting with the driver pins. All right, got number 5 in there. Four. Three. Two. All right. So that's all ready to go. Let's reassemble our key pins, starting with 1. I need one of those claspy tweezers for holding these pins. This is getting tiring with the flat tweezers, as you can see. Almost easier to just use my fingers for this. And 5. So then all we have to do slide this guy back in this way. And we should be good. Put this guy back on. and we can reassemble our lock in the right direction. And perfect. Anyway, once again, thank you for watching.